Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing another holiday gift guide. I got so many great comments and an awesome response to the last time I did a video like this. So we're going to do an updated video with a bunch of products that you can gift during the holiday season. Some for him, her, them, anybody in between, whether they like makeup or not, or they're just looking for some personal grooming. A lot of stuff today. None of this is sponsored, but all of it is my authentic, genuine, honest opinions. We're going to jump through a bunch of products, some advent calendars, some gifts, and everything in between. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. And that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into today's video and go into a bunch of gift ideas with me, stay tuned. All right, so first I'm going to talk about the thing that's going to fall over. This is empty because I bought it for myself, but this is the Sephora candle sampler. If you can get a hold of it, it is an amazing gift for anybody who loves fragrant candles. It is $50 for 5 mini candles, plus a coupon to redeem at Sephora for a full size of whichever candle they like the most. So it's a lot like the fragrance kits that they do every year where you can sample a bunch and then get a full size of the one you like most, which I find to be such a great gift because it's just the right amount of personal, but not so personal that somebody can't have a little bit of an option. And for someone like me who's super control freaky, I like to be able to pick what I like. So it came with 5 candles. I've already burned through 3 of them and I have a good idea of which one I'm going to want to pick up with the full-size coupon, but I'm not entirely sold yet because I still need to burn the other 2. I bought this for myself during the Sephora sale, so I got 20% off on it, but it is such an amazing value just because you get to try 5 really nice candles and get a full size for whichever one you like most. Next, for him, this is a limited edition Glossy Box. I'm going to unbox it with you today because I haven't even really looked inside it yet, if I'm being honest. But this is the November 2021 Men's Grooming Kit. So it is going to be a men's-centric Glossy Box. We're so excited that you received the first ever Glossy Box US Grooming Kit curated specifically for men. These products are for healing and nourishing the skin. Dry winter air can be harsh, and this collection is the perfect solution. First item out of this box is going to be from the brand For All. This is a Hair Love Red Clover Regeneration Elixir, retailing for $34. Purpose of this formula is to support scalp health. So this is something that you apply 2 to 4 drops onto the scalp, and it will help with the effects of damaged hair. I think that's an awesome item to have in a box like this. Next out of here is also from the brand For All. This is the Skin Refresh Post-Shaving Calming Tonic. This is going to have sage, calendula, ginseng, and salicylic. So it's definitely going to help decongest the pores. It's also going to help to tighten the skin and calm after you've shaved your face. The upside of the salicylic is also going to help with ingrown hairs. Next is a sample of the Viktor and Rolf Spice Balm for men. This is a fragrance. It's a deluxe mini, so they're only going to get a small amount of it. It's a little too musky for my taste, I'm going to be a little honest, but I do know a lot of men who really like this, so I'm probably just going to give this to one of my brothers. Next is an item that I've actually received, I think, twice before. This is the Verso Eye Cream. This is a deluxe size for $21. Men and eye cream. I don't know why, but this area right here, especially on men in their 40s and older, is the area they age the fastest, and it's because they're not taking care of their faces. So an eye cream is an amazing item for the men in your life. Next is the Mighty Patch. This is a Blemish Hero Invisible Patch. There are 6 of these. I believe they're just the hydrocolloid patches. Yes, they are. It's a hydrocolloid patch, so you put it on top of a blemish. It sucks out all of the excess oil and sebum and helps to reduce the inflammation, so the breakout is a little less obvious. There's also some hydrating sheet masks in here from the brand Wolf Project, so I'm going to have to give those a try. They have niacinamide, which are great for refining the pores. A lot of citrus in here for lightening, brightening, and tightening. So definitely something I'm excited to try out. And the last item in here is from the brand Regimen. It is a beard, brow, and mustache roll-on growth serum. The ingredients are purified water, hemp oil, castor oil, CBD. Okay, so it's going to be a castor oil serum. This is what's in pretty much every lash and brow serum on the market. They're just marketing it towards men, which honestly is not a bad idea. So just looking through all of the items in here, I think it's a really, really good idea to get something like this, especially if you have men in your life who are interested in grooming. I know during lockdown and quarantine, a lot of men got really into skincare, and people, I mean, even women, people who neglected themselves really took the opportunity to actually start taking care of themselves. So this kit retails for, so this is a $35 price point, but if you are a Glossy Box subscription holder, you can get this for $29.99. I think it's a really cool box. And every time I talk to the men in my life, and they know I do subscription unboxings and I talk about all of the boxes I get, so many of them ask why there aren't more boxes for men. So I think this could be a really good gift idea for the man in your life who's interested in upping their grooming game a little bit. I have to give this a shout out because I've mentioned it on Instagram about 1,000,000 times, but I have never mentioned it over on YouTube. These candles are so affordable and they are so good. This is from the Better Home and Garden candles. This one's in the scent Vanilla Bean and Smoked Ember. I have another scent in my other room. It's an amber scent. These are like 10 bucks. They're from Walmart and they are probably the best candle I've ever had. I am obsessed with how fragrant they are. They are a 3-wick candle. They burn really beautifully. They burn very evenly and they're super affordable. My friend Donna got me hooked on them. I love them so much. So for the candle lover in your life who may not be like, oh my God, I really need anything else, you can pick up a couple of these. They're very affordable, so you can get a bunch. I get them like 5 at a time and put them in every room of my house. And earlier in the month, we did a full review, well, a mini review on the Glossy Box Surprise Me Advent Calendar. I did one box on camera. I'm going to use this opportunity to plug my Instagram. Go follow me over there because I have several Advent calendars and I will be unboxing one box a day every day for the month of December with you on Instagram stories because I didn't want to spoil the fun and unbox everything on camera. But I did get this. Look Fantastic sent over the Look Fantastic X Mankind Men's Advent Calendar. This thing is massive and it has these really cute drawers to get to unbox a different gift, grooming and men's centric for the entire month of December. Finally, a grooming advent calendar for men. Now, you guys see me on camera all the time. I'm in makeup, I'm full beat, but most days I don't do all this. And a lot of my skincare is very unisex, but it's nice to have some men-focused items because I do shave my face regularly. And there's a lot of things that women's skincare doesn't do for me that I need out of some more men-centric products. So I'm really excited to try this out. Just like with the Glossy Box calendar, I'm going to unbox day 1 with you over here on YouTube. And then again, make sure you're following me over on Instagram. From what I saw, because they did tease a couple items, it is absolutely worth the price. I will link it in my description box. This is a fantastic gift idea, and I'm really excited to unbox every single day during the month of December with you over on Instagram. So, item number 1 from drawer number 1. This is going to be from the brand Indeed Laboratories. It is the No Acid Pads Gentle Alternative Peel Pads. These pads work using probiotics and extracts from Japanese cedar buds and yarrow to exfoliate the skin. It'll reduce the appearance of enlarged pores, fine lines, wrinkles, and improve your skin texture. I love pre-soaked pads like this. I consider them the gateway drug to men's skincare. I got Brandon a set of peel pads ages ago as like the intro to skincare, and when he really saw what the regular exfoliation was doing to his skin, he actually started doing a full routine, and now he does eye cream, moisturizers, he'll do the right type of cleansers, he exfoliates twice a week, he uses serums every day, so I am so proud of his skincare journey, and I will be honest, they all started from peel pads. The ones that I got him hooked on were from First Aid Beauty, then we used ones from some Korean brands, then we moved on to the Dr. Dennis Gross peel pads, but no matter what, it is peel pads that really started that journey, so the fact that that's day 1, I think is really telling to how the rest of the days are going to go. I did get a sneak peek of 6 of the items in there, so I know 5 of the other items, and I'm really excited for them, but I don't know the other 18, so I'm excited to unbox those. Again, make sure you're following me over on Instagram to unbox all of my advent calendars with me in my stories during the month of December because I'm really excited. So those are some gift ideas for the season. I know there wasn't a lot there, but I think each one was a very good idea, all at different price points. Let me know some of the items you are the most excited to gift, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!